Hey, it's Krista with WTI. When we selected the fixtures in our guest bathroom, we wanted something that was sleek and would stand the test of time. This Ralbay mid-century modern bathroom vanity light is the perfect option to fit that bill. As you can see, the design of this light fixture is simply stunning. It has three lights and is made of a high-quality metal material in matte black paired with matte gold accents and a milky white glass ball. This coordinates seamlessly with all of our other decor in the guest bathroom. The size is just perfect for our space. The length of it is 24 inches. It extends approximately 6 inches from the wall, which gives it great presence without being overpowering. This light fixture uses G9 bulbs and it's suitable for both dimming and non-dimming features. Just a note though, you do have to buy the bulbs and dimmer switch separately. This Ralbay mid-century modern bathroom vanity fixture has brought in literal light to our guest bathroom, but also a ton of style and luxury. We absolutely love it, and we think you will too. And that's my point of view.